Ladies and gentlemen, it's Drange time on the Drange YouTube channel.
And this is Drange Garage.
Heck yeah!
So you might be wondering what this episode is going to be about. Today, I'm going to take a trip about 6 hours away from me. We're going to pick up the new Drange mobile. It's going to need some work, but start heading there now. Well, here it is, 1997 Jeep Wrangler Sport with all kinds of options on it. Has rust, but we're going to work on that in some episodes shortly. Thanks for watching this episode. Stay tuned for more episodes of us working on this Jeep and trying to get the rust and other things fixed on it. Peace.